Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off auto delete YouTube history. Friends, due to some reason, if you don't want to auto delete your YouTube history on your Android mobile phone, then you simply need to open YouTube app. In your app, press on the profile icon. Now here press on this gear icon. Now here in settings, press on manage all history. Now select the account. Now here, as you can see, my auto delete is set for 3 months. This means after 3 months my YouTube history will be automatically deleted. Now to change this option, press on this arrow. Now if you want to change auto delete period, then you need to press on this small arrow and can select a different time period to auto delete your YouTube history. Like you can select 18 months or 36 months. In case you don't want YouTube to auto delete your history, then you simply need to select don't auto delete activity. After selecting, press on next. Now after reading, press on confirm. Press on OK. Now here, as you can see, my auto delete is off. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off auto delete YouTube history on your Android mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.